Okay, so now we're going to do part C16. Okay, so this is part C16, and you might notice that this looks pretty familiar, okay, because previously we did part C2. If I take a look at that part, it's pretty much identical, except for the fact that this one has a block sitting back here in the back right corner. So rather than create the entire part from scratch, I'm going to show you a little shortcut. Okay, so we're going to go to Inventor, and we're actually not going to create a new part. We're actually going to open one. Okay, so let me go to my folder here, and I'm going to choose, well, there's that C2 file. Okay, so I'm going to open this one that I already made. Open. And now we don't want to change how C2 looks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to save this as a new file name. So go up here to File, and I'm going to save as. Now, again, your period number, your last name, and now we're doing C16. And you would save the part that way. So now you can see up here it's changed to C16. Now if we make changes, it's not going to affect our original part. Okay, so we have our almost done C16. We just need to add a block back here that's sticking up further. So we're actually going to need a new sketch. So we're going to start 2D sketch. Okay, and notice how the orange planes didn't show up, and that's because we already have something solid. So now you can sketch on any flat face. So we want to sketch here. So I'm going to click on this top face right here, and I might have to zoom out. All right, so I need a rectangle right back here. I need it starting right from that corner. So I'm going to choose my rectangle tool, and I'm going to go back to that corner, and it'll snap and turn green, just like at the origin. Okay, so I'm going to click once at that corner, then I'm going to move out. Okay, and this is going to be about, this is going to be 3/4 by 3/4. So I'm going to try to get close to that. That's pretty good. I'm going to click in place. And I have to put some dimensions here. So if I look at my drawing, it looks like this is 0.75 here, 0.75 here. Click once, move out, 0.75. Check, and I have to give a dimension here, 0.75. All right, so everything is black. So I'm going to finish my sketch. All right, now I need to do another extrusion. Okay, again, it's going to pick the area it thinks, and it's usually correct. So the distance, this distance, let's see, is 0.75. So this part is extruded 0.75 more. 0.75, and okay. And if I zoom out one more time, so you have your part C16. I just have to go up here and click Save. Okay. Now you can do this for actually a number of the parts. So for example, C14 has a block there, C15 has a block here. We just did C16. C17 has a block in that back corner. C18 has a block here. So all of these could actually be made from C2 with just a little bit of additional work.